Before you buy an SUV in 2026, there's something important you should know. Some of the most popular SUVs in America look dependable, feel comfortable, and are heavily promoted by dealerships. But many owners are discovering serious issues only after the warranty ends. I'm not saying these SUVs are bad vehicles. I'm saying there are hidden risks most buyers are never told about. And one SUV on this list may surprise you. Welcome to DriveSense, smart car facts for American drivers. Here, we focus on real ownership costs, long-term reliability, and the issues that don't show up during a test drive. Today, we're breaking down SUVs you should think twice about buying in 2026 based on owner complaints, repair trends, and long-term reliability data. Let's start with the Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Grand Cherokee looks premium. It offers a comfortable ride and strong design, but long-term reliability remains inconsistent. Owners frequently report electrical system glitches, infotainment failures, and random warning lights. The issue isn't how it drives when it's new, it's what happens later. Some owners have no problems at all. Others face repeated dealership visits once the warranty expires. That unpredictability is the real concern. Next is the Ford Explorer. The Explorer is one of America's best-selling SUVs, but recent models have struggled. Common complaints include transmission issues, interior quality problems, and faster depreciation than many buyers expect. Many owners say it feels solid at first, then reliability begins to decline after a few years. That often leads to higher ownership costs over time. SUV number 3 is the Chevrolet Traverse. The Traverse offers space and family appeal, but long-term reliability is a concern. Reported issues include engine problems, transmission performance issues, and expensive repairs after warranty coverage ends. Resale value is weaker than many competitors. That can result in greater financial loss over time. Next is the Nissan Rogue, especially turbocharged models. Nissan's CVT transmission history has left many owners cautious. While newer versions show improvement, long-term confidence still trails competitors. When turbocharger complexity is added, repair costs can increase significantly over time. SUV number 5 is the Volkswagen Atlas. The Atlas looks bold and spacious, but ownership data shows recurring problems. Owners report electrical glitches, infotainment failures, and higher-than-average maintenance costs. Repairs can be expensive, and dealer availability varies by region. For buyers seeking low-stress ownership, this SUV may disappoint. Now let's talk about the Hyundai Santa Fe, particularly newer generations. The Santa Fe has improved over the years, but newer turbocharged engines and dual-clutch transmissions have introduced reliability concerns. Some owners report transmission hesitation, engine-related issues, and costly repairs after warranties expire. It's not an automatic avoid, but it's not as worry-free as many buyers expect. This next one may surprise you. The Toyota Highlander remains reliable overall. However, newer hybrid systems introduce higher complexity. That can mean higher repair costs after the warranty ends, expensive hybrid components, and fewer independent repair options. It's not about frequent failure, it's about long-term ownership cost expectations. Here's why this matters. Most SUVs perform well during the first few years of ownership. The real cost often appears later, after 80,000 or 100,000 miles, when warranties are gone. Dealerships focus on monthly payments, smart buyers focus on long-term ownership. Ending in viewer engagement. Before buying any SUV in 2026, ask yourself how reliable it is long-term, and ask what happens after the warranty ends. Now I'd like to hear from you. Which SUV do you own, and has it been reliable? Or which SUV are you considering? Share your experience in the comments. Your insight helps other drivers make smarter decisions. Subscribe to DriveSense, smart car facts for American drivers.